Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of space between containers in Carrd. This is a common challenge when building sleek, professional-looking sites, and mastering this will give you much tighter control over your layout and design. First, open your web browser and head over to carrd.co. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. After logging in, look to the upper right panel and click on the plus New Site button. From there, navigate to Blank Page and click Select. Now, in the upper right corner, click the plus button and select Container from the options. This will add your first container to the page. Once that's done, head over to the left panel and navigate to Type. Click the drop-down menu and choose either Default or Columns, depending on your layout preference. Next, click the plus button again in the upper right and this time select Text. In the left panel, navigate to Text and enter your desired text in the field. Once you've typed it in, drag this text element into your first container. This places your content exactly where you need it. Repeat the process for your second container. Click the plus button once more in the upper right and select Text. Again, navigate to Text in the left panel, enter your text in the field, and drag it into your second container. After positioning both text elements, click Done to confirm your changes. Now comes the key part, adjusting the spacing. Select the container by clicking on it, then in the upper left, click the Appearance button. This opens up all the styling options for your container. Navigate to Padding, where you'll see sliders for vertical and horizontal adjustments. Use these sliders to reduce the padding inside your container, which helps tighten up the overall look. You can also adjust the gutters, which control the space between elements within the container, as well as the margins at the top and bottom. These margins are what typically create that unwanted space between containers, so reducing them will bring your containers closer together. Use the sliders to fine-tune these settings until you're happy with the result. Once you've made your adjustments, click Done to apply the changes, and that's it. You've successfully removed the space between containers in Carrd by adjusting padding, gutters, and margins. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.